Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is the answer writing series Insightful Answers Unlocking Knowledge. In this series, this is the second question, and the question is, why are the world's fold mountain system located along the margins of the continent? This is the first part of this question, and bring out the association between global distribution of fold mountains and earthquakes and volcanoes. This question was asked in 2014. So, in this series, our first step is to find the model answer format. Answer format. And there are three parts in our question or in answer. First is introduction, second is main body, and the last one is conclusion. So what is the theme of this question? जो theme है, that will be the introduction. So in this question, fold mountain systems, this is the theme. It means in introduction we will tell about what is fold mountain system. What is fold mountain system or fold mountain? What is the formation? Formation of fold mountains. Okay, so it would be in introduction part. Now come to the main body. It means in this main body part we will give the answer. There are two parts, then we will also write in two parts or two phrases. So first part of the main body will answer about why fold mountain systems are located along the margins of continents. So location of fold mountain system, fold mountains along the margins of continents. इसके causes हम यहाँ प्रोवाइड करेंगे. And in second part, what is the association between global distribution of fold mountain and earthquake volcanoes? So यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे पहले? Association between fold mountains with earthquake and volcanoes. Then in third part of main body we will write about the global distribution of fold mountain, earthquake and volcanoes, and in conclusion we will conclude it. So first part of introduction, or first part of this question, which is introduction. So fold mountain systems are characterized by their high rugged peaks and complex geology, are typically located along the margins of continent. This geographical distribution is not coincidental but is deeply rooted in the process of plate tectonic. Understanding this distribution requires a closer look at the dynamics of tectonic plate interaction and their consequences such as earthquakes and volcanic activity. So this is the introduction part. Now another part, or you may write in main body, the formation of fold mountain. क्यों हो रहा है? Because of collision and compression of tectonic plates. So first, continental convergence. When two continental plates collide with each other, neither is subducted due to their similar density. Instead, the collision results in the crumpling and folding of the earth crust, which leads to the formation of fold mountain system. For example, Himalaya, Alps mountain, and Himalayas are formed by the collision of Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. Second is oceanic continental convergence. When oceanic plate converges with an continental plate, the denser oceanic plate will be subducted. You may draw the diagram here. Beneath the less dense continental plate, this process generates intense pressure and heat, causing the continental crust to crumple and fold. It will fold along with the trenches. For example, Andes, Rockies mountains. So Andes mountains are formed by the subduction of minor plate, Nazca plate, beneath the South American plate. तो इस तरीके से ये फोल्ड माउंटेन एंडीज का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, हिमालय का माउंटेन फॉर्मेशन हो गया. सो दिस इज अबाउट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ फोल्ड माउंटेन. नाउ कम टू अनदर पार्ट, मार्जिन्स ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट. व्हाई these fold mountains are formed along with the margins of continent? It means these are active zones of plate tectonics. तो इसके बारे में बताएंगे. तो यहां एक डायग्राम आपको ड्रॉ कर देना है. This is a plate which is moving in this direction. This is the subduction zone. तो प्रॉपर वो डायग्राम बना देना है. So the margin of continents are often sites of active volcanoes, which is why fold mountains are predominantly found in this region. The key factors include subduction zone. So this is subduction zone. This plate is moving downward. It means toward mantle portion. So subduction zone, where one plate is forced below another, are common along continental margin. The immense pressure and heat in this zone lead to formation of fold mountain. For example, Rocky Mountains associated with the subduction of Pacific plate under the North American plate. Second is transform boundaries. Transform boundaries where plates slide past each other also occur along continental margins. While these boundaries are more associated with earthquakes, they can contribute to the overall tectonic activity which influence mountain building. For example, San Andreas Fault in California, which is located at the western coast of North America. So this is about margin of continent. Now another part of main body, association with earthquake and volcanoes. Fold mountains are closely associated with both earthquake and volcanoes. कैसे है? Because of tectonic activities. So first, earthquakes are common in this region where tectonic plates interact. The immense pressure and friction at convergent and transform boundaries frequently lead to seismic activity. For example, Himalaya, Andes. Where volcanic activity is prevalent, it means subduction zone में the subduction of an oceanic plate beneath the continental plate leads to melting and the rise of hot magma plume, which can result in volcanic eruption. For example, ring of fire around the Pacific Ocean. So इस तरीके से हमें ये समझ में आ गया कि अर्थक्वेक और वॉल्केनो दोनों से क्लोजली एसोसिएट है फोल्ड माउंटेन. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट ग्लोबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फोल्ड माउंटेन, अर्थक्वेक, वॉल्केनोस. तो ग्लोबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में अगर हम बात करें, देन सर्कम पैसिफिक प्लेट, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज रिंग ऑफ फायर. This area encircles the Pacific Ocean, includes major mountain ranges like Andes, Rockies, which are characterized by frequent earthquakes and volcanic activity. And second is Alpine belt, means Alps mountain वाली जो belt है. It is extending from Mediterranean Sea or Mediterranean region through Asia. This belt include Alps mountain and Himalayas also, and it connects. It reaches up to Indonesia, Sunda Point, जहाँ पे Sunda Trench है. It is a zone of significant tectonic activity leading to frequent seismic events. So this is the global distribution. You may draw the diagram of plate tectonics जो मैंने draw कराया था. आप चाहे तो आपको एक पूरा full lecture पढ़ा हुआ है, full lecture of plate interaction and plate tectonics. वहां एक डायग्राम मैंने ड्रॉ किया है. आप चाहें तो उस डायग्राम को भी वहां से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। तो उसके लिए आप उस वीडियो को देख लीजिए, मैं नीचे लिंक में उसको पोस्ट कर दूंगा। So this is about the main body. Now come to conclusion. So world's fold mountain system are primarily located along the margins of continent due to the dynamic interaction of tectonic plates, and the process of continental and oceanic plate convergence lead to formation of these mountains, and also the same tectonic force responsible for mountain building also generate earthquakes and volcanic activity, creating a distinct association between fold mountains, earthquake, volcanoes. Understanding these relationships is crucial for comprehending the Earth's complex geological process. Thus, this question is now completed. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comment, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel Vaibhav Kulshrestha for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.